Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video on how to edit Clubhouse Bio. If you want to share your information about your achievements and recent happenings in your life, then you can keep updating your Clubhouse profile bio. It's pretty easy to do so. If you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Clubhouse application from your app drawer and make sure you're signed into your Clubhouse account. Once you are, you'll need to go to your profile in order to change your bios. Now, from the home page, go and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. This will take you to your profile. In the profile page, right below your follower and following tab, you'll be able to see your bio displayed on the screen. If you'd like to change or edit your bio, simply tap on the bio that is displaying on the screen, and this will bring out a menu where you can update your bio. If you'd like to change your bio, then simply erase the current one and type in the new bio that you'd like to change to. After you're done typing in your bio, tap on Done, and you'll be able to see the bio change immediately. The changes has now been saved and are visible in your profile to public as well. That is how you can easily edit your bio on Clubhouse. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it helped you into learning how to do it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us, and we'll be sure to get back to you on your comments that you make. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.